students. How's your weekend? How's your morning, students? Amazing, super, wonderful. Wow, nice to hear that. Okay, please prepare your textbook. Today we will discuss page 92, number 5. Page 92, number 5. After that, page 94, number 7. Page 94, number 7. And page 95, number 8. Okay. If we already finished this class, please open your textbook, page 93. Please open your textbook, page 93. Okay, please do number 6 in your textbook. Silakan dikerjakan di textbooknya. Okay. Until here, enough elliptical class. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.